today we're here outdoors. We're gonna see nature in its finest. Now, if you're a bird lover, if you want to watch lizards or maybe take long range shots of videos or screenshots, you can do that with these binoculars. Now, these binoculars themselves are HD, high quality, long distance, and they could go 12x by 50. So that's a long range. So I go to the gun range, I take these with me a lot. I go to events and other stuff like sports events, I always take these binoculars. They're a little heavier, but their distance are beautiful and very sharp images come out of there. Now, if I'm gonna show you guys how sharp images come out of there because they give you an accessory. Right now, I ended up adding my phone into the system, and this accessory is really one of the best accessories I've seen that you can attach pretty much on not just this binoculars, but any binoculars. Now, included with the binoculars, they give you the actual covers for each side, for the high end and the low end, also including the bag, right? So this itself was a plus because I don't just use it for this scopes, but I also use it for other scopes. You could, if you have a telescope or anything, you could attach this. Very simple. If you guys can see, it grips on just by closing it, all right? Adjustments, height adjustments, very simple, height adjustments. And to find the actual height adjustments, all you gotta do is make sure you can see your lens. Like for example, I found my lens here and I only have one lens. This is an iPhone, an X iPhone, and it has one lens only. So we're gonna use this one to actually take a look. So the way you work on it, on the actual system, you grab one of your lenses, you can just open it up if you want. Make sure you open the black lens, all right? Once you open it up, you could attach the actual attachment to here. So we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna open this up. Let's open one hand up. You make sure you grab down this part, all right? And grab your module, make sure your eye lens is installed in there, and you just grip it up. Now the device itself has a tripod installation here, so you could thread this down in case you're gonna take long range shots and stuff like that and you don't want too much movement. Now we're ready to go. Now these new phones have multiple lenses. Just make sure aware that you are gonna have to zoom in to the first X, all right? Once you zoom in, it might lose out the scope. You might have to readjust it. Let's go ahead and take a look and test it out. All right, so let's see if we can see long range. There's some birds in the grass, in the water here. You guys can see it. Look how long range we're actually looking at this. And we can always take screenshots of it. I'm a little unstable right now because of my movement is a little cold too. Let's take some pictures.